We're doing a house renovation in South Lake, and we're doing the windows and roofing. Right now, the homeowner decided to go with an arch black window frame, as you can see here, and we're going to be doing the entire property. They manufacture these in California, and then they're shipped over to us. It's a much better product. The vinyl is a stronger vinyl. It's a lot thicker vinyl, as well as the glass. The glass is way thicker than a lot of other manufacturers are. And also, one of the other things is that just the quality and the warranty on these windows is phenomenal. Double lifetime warranty. If anything ever happens, you're out here mowing the yard, rock bounces up, breaks it, give us a call, no charge to you, and they will help you in your energy bill. So they do cut back a lot of the wasted energy that you're going to get from your old windows. Currently, we do have a promotion going on. Before December 11th, if you have one of us out, we are giving away a $50 gift card to Chick-fil-A.